Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a budget with Experian budgeting tools. So it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste any time, just a step-by-step guide, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Experian account. You can do that online on the website, or you can do that through the mobile app. So just sign into your account, either one of these methods, and once you're in, just click on the budgeting, and that's going to help you to access the budgeting tool. So once you sign into your account, click on budgeting, and here you're going to create a budget using Experian budgeting tool. Now the tool is going to help you out with some suggestions and whatnot on how to go about creating a budget plan. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a budget with Experian budgeting tool. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.